Take a ride in the 2016
Buick Envision.
This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4.
Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.